Welcome back. One of the paid tools that you'll be able to use falls into the library section. You can click on the library and you're going to see that you have an element here that says page. We can click on page. This will allow us to draft a page from content that we generate. You're first going to write what your page is going to be about. You will then click on audience. You can then determine what kind of audience you want for your page. Your page can be for beginners. Your page can also be experts, which does use more technical terms and references advanced concepts. We're going to choose experts. What we're now going to do is we're going to click this button to go to the next step. Perplexity will then begin writing the page. You will see that Perplexity will populate your page with a specific image. And you will notice existing sections that Perplexity has already laid out for you. You'll see those pages with sources and with content. You can also add in media to each section. If you want to rename the section, you can rename it. If you want to edit one of the sections, you can click Edit, and you can rewrite the section in the way that you want it to be. You can also go to the ellipsis for any of the sections, and you can move the section up or down in your page. You can also delete a section if that's what you want to do. You can create additional sections if you want the page to be more comprehensive. You can also choose a different page layout. You can click on the layout button at the very top. You can make it so that the header will be smaller. You can make it so it will be larger, or you can make it so that there is no header at all. And you'll see your changes made. You can click on the preview button to preview the page. You can then publish your page. Your page will then be published and shareable on Perplexity. If you go to your library, you will then be able to see your pages. If you want to unpublish the page, you can click this button and you can unpublish the page. And you can add your page to an existing space. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.